Are you new to the culinary world and in search of easy and healthy recipes to kickstart your journey? Welcome to our virtual kitchen where we believe cooking should be a joy, not a chore. And it's even better when it's simple and good for you. Today, we're going to take you on a flavorful journey through 10 easy and healthy recipes that anyone can make, even if you're a complete beginner. From an energizing breakfast to a satisfying dinner, and everything in between, we've got you covered. Imagine starting your day with a delicious avocado toast or ending it with a succulent baked salmon. And what about those midday hunger pangs? A banana smoothie or roasted chickpeas could be just the ticket. These recipes are not only easy to make but also packed with nutrients, making them perfect for anyone looking to eat healthier. So pull out your aprons and prep your kitchen because we're about to get cooking. Stay tuned as we dive into our first recipe. First on our list is a simple yet nutritious avocado toast. Let's kick off by selecting a ripe avocado. The key to a perfect avocado toast lies in its star ingredient. Avocados are a great source of healthy fats, fiber, and essential nutrients, so it's not just tasty but incredibly good for you. Now, slice your avocado in half, remove the pit, and scoop the flesh into a bowl. Add a squeeze of lemon juice for a hint of freshness, then season with salt and pepper. Mash everything together until you have a creamy, yet chunky consistency. Next, toast your bread to perfection. You can use any bread you like, but whole grain or sourdough tends to work the best. Once toasted, spread the avocado mixture generously onto your bread. For the final touch, sprinkle some red pepper flakes for a bit of heat, or some chia seeds for extra crunch and nutrition. And voila! Enjoy your fresh, healthy avocado toast. Next up, we have a colorful and refreshing Greek salad. Imagine a medley of crisp vegetables tossed with tangy feta cheese and olives, all dressed up in a zesty vinaigrette. To start, you'll want a ripe, juicy tomato, a crunchy cucumber, and a sweet red onion. Chop these up into bite-sized pieces. Now, take a handful of Kalamata olives and a generous sprinkle of crumbled feta cheese. Mix these into your chopped veggies. For that zesty vinaigrette, whisk together a splash of olive oil, a squeeze of lemon, a pinch of oregano, and some minced garlic. Once it's all mixed, drizzle this dressing over your salad and give it a good toss. The beauty of a Greek salad lies in its fresh, quality ingredients. So embrace the simplicity, savor the flavors, and enjoy the crunch of this classic Mediterranean dish. Your Greek salad is ready to be savored. Our third recipe is a versatile vegetable stir-fry. Begin by heating a tablespoon of olive oil in a large skillet or wok over medium-high heat. Add in a colorful array of your favorite vegetables. Think bell peppers, broccoli, carrots, snow peas. Sauté these until they're tender and vibrant. Next, whip up a quick sauce. Combine soy sauce, a bit of brown sugar, and a splash of rice vinegar in a bowl. Add a dash of ginger and garlic for an extra kick. Pour this over your sautéed vegetables and stir well to coat. The beauty of a stir-fry is in its versatility. It's a great way to use up leftover vegetables, and you can customize it to your liking. Plus, it's packed with nutrients from the variety of vegetables used. Once everything is well mixed and heated through, your stir-fry is ready to serve. Sit back and enjoy your hearty vegetable stir-fry. Fourth on our list is a protein-packed quinoa salad. This mighty grain is not only gluten-free but also one of the few plant foods that's a complete protein, boasting all 9 essential amino acids. To start, rinse 1 cup of quinoa under cold water until the water runs clear. Next, combine the quinoa in a pot with 2 cups of water or broth, bringing it to a boil before reducing to a simmer. Cover and let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes until the quinoa is tender and fluffy. While the quinoa cooks, chop your favorite vegetables. Maybe some crisp cucumbers, juicy tomatoes, and vibrant bell peppers for a colorful mix. When the quinoa is ready, fluff it with a fork and let it cool before mixing in your vegetables. Drizzle with some olive oil, squeeze a fresh lemon for that tangy kick, and season with salt and pepper. Toss it all together and voila! Your nutritious quinoa salad is ready! Next, we have a simple and delicious baked salmon. Let's get started with a fresh fillet of salmon, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are fantastic for heart health and reducing inflammation in the body. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oven is getting hot, let's prepare our salmon. Season it generously with salt, pepper, and your favorite herbs. Dill and lemon zest work wonders here. Once your salmon is well seasoned, place it on a baking tray lined with foil for easy cleanup. Slide the tray into your preheated oven and let it bake for around 20 minutes. The cooking time may vary depending on the thickness of your fillet, but the salmon should flake easily with a fork when it's done. And there you have it, An easy, nutritious, and utterly delicious baked salmon dish right from your kitchen. Your baked salmon is ready to be enjoyed. Sixth on our list is a creamy banana smoothie. Whipping up this smoothie is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Start by peeling and slicing 2 ripe bananas. Add them to your blender along with a cup of ice, a cup of milk, a dollop of honey, and a scoop of your favorite protein powder. Blend until smooth. Now let's talk bananas. They're more than just a tasty fruit. They're packed with essential nutrients that your body craves. Each banana is a good source of potassium, an important mineral that helps regulate heart function and blood pressure. They're also high in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant, and vitamin B6, which is vital for brain development and function. So, not only is this banana smoothie a delicious treat, it's also a powerhouse of nutrition. Pour your smoothie into a glass, add a straw, and voila! You're ready to kickstart your day with a burst of energy. Enjoy your refreshing banana smoothie. Next, we have a tasty chicken and broccoli stir-fry. This dish is not only flavorsome, but also has the added benefit of being packed full of nutrients. The star of this dish, broccoli, is a powerhouse of vitamins A, C, and K, fiber, and other minerals. To begin, heat a splash of oil in a pan over a medium-high heat. Add in diced chicken and cook until golden brown. Once the chicken is cooked, set it aside. In the same pan, add a little more oil, then toss in your broccoli. Cook until it's just tender, but still holds a nice crunch. Next, add the chicken back into the pan, along with a mix of soy sauce, ginger, garlic, and a touch of honey for sweetness. Stir everything together, allowing the flavors to meld. After a minute or 2, your dish is done. Your chicken and broccoli stir-fry is ready to be savored. This dish is a testament to the fact that healthy food can certainly be delicious too. Eighth on our list is a nutrient-rich spinach and feta omelet. Let's get cracking, shall we? Start by whisking together a few fresh eggs until they're smooth. Next, melt a little bit of butter in a non-stick pan over medium heat. As the butter sizzles, add in a handful of spinach and cook it until it wilts down. Now let's talk about spinach. This vibrant green leafy vegetable is a powerhouse of nutrients. It's packed with iron, calcium, and a whole lot of vitamins. It's a superfood that can give your body a health boost. Once the spinach is wilted, pour in the eggs and let them set for a minute. Then sprinkle over some crumbled feta cheese. Feta is a fantastic source of calcium, and it adds a tangy, creamy element to this omelet. Fold the omelet in half, let it cook for a few more seconds, and voila! You've got a healthy, tasty breakfast or lunch option. Enjoy your delicious spinach and feta omelet. Next, we have a crunchy and satisfying snack, roasted chickpeas. This recipe is not only quick and simple, but also packs an incredible nutritional punch. This humble legume is rich in protein, fiber, and a host of vitamins and minerals. Let's start by preheating your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. While it's heating up, rinse and drain 2 cans of chickpeas. Pat them dry with a kitchen towel to ensure they roast perfectly. Now toss these chickpeas in a bowl with 2 tablespoons of olive oil, a pinch of salt, and your choice of spices. Experiment with flavors like smoked paprika, garlic powder, or even a pinch of cayenne for a spicy kick. Mix well to ensure the chickpeas are evenly coated. Spread them out on a baking sheet and pop them into the oven. Let them roast for about 20 to 30 minutes, stirring occasionally, until they're golden brown and crunchy. Your roasted chickpeas are ready to be munched on. Last but not least, we have a colorful and refreshing fruit salad. This recipe is as simple as it is versatile, perfect for a quick breakfast, a light lunch, or a sweet dessert. Start by gathering a variety of your favorite fresh fruits. Remember, the more colorful, the better. Fruits are packed with essential vitamins and minerals, and each color represents different nutrients, so diversity is key. Now, wash and chop your chosen fruits into bite-sized pieces. You might choose apples for a crunchy texture, strawberries for a sweet tang, or bananas for a creamy softness. The choice is yours. Let your taste buds guide you. Once chopped, mix them together in a large bowl. You can add a squeeze of lemon or lime for some extra zing, or a sprinkle of chia seeds for added fiber and protein. And just like that, your fruit salad is ready to be enjoyed. And there you have it, 10 easy and healthy recipes to kickstart your culinary journey. These recipes are not just delicious, but they're also packed with nutrients, making them perfect for anyone looking to embrace a healthier lifestyle. Let's take a quick stroll down memory lane, shall we? We started our journey with the ever-popular avocado toast, a simple yet fulfilling recipe that is as delightful to the taste buds as it is to the body. Next up, we dove into the refreshing world of Greek salad, a perfect blend of crunchy vegetables and tangy feta cheese. Remember, the secret lies in using the freshest of ingredients. Then we ventured into the colorful realm of vegetable stir-fry, a recipe that truly allows the natural flavors of the vegetables to shine. This dish is a testament to the fact that healthy doesn't necessarily mean boring. Our fourth stop was quinoa salad, a protein-packed powerhouse that's as versatile as it is nutritious. The beauty of this dish lies in its adaptability. You can toss in whatever veggies you have on hand, and voila! Halfway through our journey, we landed on baked salmon, a dish that not only pleases the palate, but also takes care of your heart. Remember, omega-3 fatty acids are your friends. From there, we moved on to the banana smoothie, a perfect breakfast option for those busy mornings. It's a quick, easy, and tasty way to start your day right. We then explored the hearty chicken and broccoli stir-fry, a perfect dinner option that's as comforting as it is healthy. Next, we whisked up a spinach and feta omelet, a protein-packed start to the day that's as delicious as it is nutritious. Our penultimate recipe was roasted chickpeas, a crunchy, savory snack that's a healthier alternative to those calorie-laden chips. And finally, we ended our journey with a vibrant fruit salad, a dessert that's as sweet as it is healthy. Remember, when it comes to fruits, the more colors, the better. So embark on this culinary journey and discover the joy of cooking and the benefits of eating healthy. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share. Stay healthy and happy cooking.